We're in Appleby this morning and we're at a farmhouse. We've got 3 walls of this farmhouse to do, but it's most probably the cleanest farmyard I've ever been to. We've been to quite a few farms and this one is exceptionally clean. But I'll show you what we're doing. So we've got this wall here to do. You can see this is quite badly stained. And if we look closer here, you can see that there's quite a lot of, it's actually pink here. Once we put water on it, you'll notice that this goes really heavily stained. And down the bottom, now I've said that we think that sheep have been rubbing against this area, so there might be a bit of oil on there landing, but we'll clean it, but there might be a slight staining afterwards. There's obviously moss. Yeah. This wall, this doesn't look too bad, but again there is staining on it once you get closer. There's moss up there. Down the bottom. We've seen plenty of swallows and so really nice. Well, let's see how we get on with this one. So we finished this one now, and as you can see, it's really brightened up. It will keep getting better as it fully dries out, and we normally say it's about a week, 10 days. You can see it's really brightened up. And then we'll get down to this gable end. This is still dry in here, so it looks a little bit darker than the other side, but obviously all the black staining's gone. And then this side here again, still drying. Not a bad outlook. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.